Okay, I'm just going to show you how to use the clone stamp tool in Photoshop to remove bits of an image, and it's really simple. So first of all, I'm just going to find something I can use. So let's try. So here we've got a photo I took somewhere. It's in Copenhagen. There's a jazz band playing here, and supposing I want to change a few things in here. So for example, supposing this speaker, I don't want that there anymore. So I'm going to use the clone stamp tool by going up here in Photoshop, clicking on that. And then it's just a question of holding down Alt if you're on a Windows computer, selecting an area that you want to use, I'm going to say about here, and then you just go over and you basically just brush over the area you want to kind of replace. And sometimes it's a good idea to move the source point so that it doesn't look too repetitive, but this is working really well, as you can see. It's also a good idea to maybe use the Lasso Tool to restrict the area that you want to edit. You can zoom in if you want to be more precise. In fact, I'm going to be more precise because that wasn't precise enough. So I can kind of say I don't want to affect an area outside of this selection. So I'm going to do that. Okay, zoom back out. And reselect a source point and then carry on going, and as you can see, look, I can be quite quick. Okay, that's not bad. I could, if I had more time, tidy up a little bit more there, but it's good enough for now, especially at that zoom level. Maybe just one other thing, supposing this red balloon or whatever it is behind her head, maybe I don't want that, so again I can just very quickly correct that by selecting a source with the Alt key held down. And removing it. Again, I was a little bit heavy-handed there, but I'm just trying to demonstrate the tool, and when you zoom out you can barely tell. So there, a really quick demo for you.